Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. So this video will be a quick one where I'm going to test Revit with Claude, and this time this test will be very specific with all of your requests. So first request was to use Claude to dimension all the plans that I have. Second request that I got from you was to create few sheets using Claude. So it might be a bit difficult for Claude to handle that. So we will see these two parts and we will give the verdict and we will see the efficiency of Claude in 2026 Revit. So without any delays, let's get started with the video. This will be a very quick and concise video for anyone who is curious about the capacity of Claude. Okay guys, so we have our Revit session and Claude session, Claude desktop session open over here. What I am going to do here is basically just select all the dimensions in the level 1 plan and delete it. And I will ask Claude to dimension all the grid lines. And then I will ask Claude to dimension all the exterior walls and give the overall dimensions. Let's see how or what kind of understanding does Claude have when it comes to dimensioning things. I can also ask Claude to reference level 2 or level 3 plan for the dimension and follow the similar philosophy for the level 1. Okay, guys, so it was able to dimension everything. Let's see. We'll go here and check it out. It has dimensioned all the grid lines. It didn't dimension the interior parts of this, but it has dimensioned all the essential elements. Yeah, it forgot to dimension the exterior parts of the wall, dimension each and every aspects of like the wall openings, then the spacing in between those wall openings. It didn't do this part, but overall, it has done is, I think, pretty good. I also think that there is no opening on the exterior wall, probably that's why. And also, we didn't ask it specifically to do that. So now let's go ahead and do the test number 2, where we will ask Claude to create a sheet, and we will time that as well, like how much time it takes to create a sheet for it. And I will ask it to place this level 2 plan onto that sheet. Very simple text. Create a sheet for level 1, which is L1. Name the sheet as level 1 plan and add level 1 door schedule on the sheet along with level 1 plan. Let's see, because it's gonna be a bit confused because I haven't specified it to use the schedule that is already been created in this project, or it's gonna go ahead and create its own schedule. And I want to check it, like if it understands that I just need level 1 door schedule. Let's see. It's a bit complicated task. It has matched the exact sheet that is used in this project. Both views are duplicate of originals, so the source view on sheet 101 and are untouched. These sheets number is following the existing A series numbering in your project. So it does understand the numbering and all of these standards of the project. I just want to see. It has made a pretty good door schedule actually. I just want to see if this door schedule is for level 1. So it has done a pretty good job overall. I will still have to go and place the view properly on the sheet and even the schedule. Like I could have created the entire schedule and just placed it on the sheet before Claude could do it. So, guys, I did test it for you guys, but I would say that unfortunately, Claude is not that much of help when it comes to creating sheets and things. But if you want to replicate your dimensions, and in our previous videos as well, we have tested different features where I'm renaming hundreds of families, and it was able to do that pretty quick. I think for those kind of tasks, Claude is very great, but I would say that try to restrict Claude to just straightforward tasks like renaming of sheets, like creating some views, like creating some schedules. All of these things will be really good for you. And renaming family was something that was mind blowing because it did entire work in just like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, which is a really beneficial part. But overall, I would say you will still need to sit here, see what is going on, and you will still need to have your own manual control. It will help us. It is helping me specifically in my projects, in my workflow, in few small things that I do. Overall, I think Claude is not replacing us. Claude is just here to help us, and which is pretty good. And I really appreciate this. And guys, if you like this video, if you have any kind of suggestions or anything, please go ahead, mention it in the comment section. I will definitely try to make something or create something based on your suggestions. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.